Welcome to JH. I tried the UpNourish protein bar, and the first thing that hit me was the texture. It's soft enough to bite into, but maintains a nice chew without being dense enough to double as a construction brick. The flavor is rich and satisfying, remarkably avoiding that delightful chalk-flavored dust taste most protein bars seem to take pride in. It actually feels like a treat rather than a dietary chore, leaving me feeling full and energized. It's the perfect quick meal replacement or post-workout snack, especially since it digests easily and keeps you satisfied for hours, because we all know the struggle of wanting to eat the entire fridge 10 minutes after a workout. What I appreciate most about the UpNourish bar is how it manages to combine great taste with actual, real-world nutrition. It delivers solid protein and balanced ingredients without a mountain of unnecessary sugar, fitting perfectly into a busy routine. Overall, it's a high-quality bar that makes healthy eating feel less like a punishment and more like an enjoyable habit. It has definitely earned a permanent spot in my routine for satisfying cravings while supporting my fitness goals, or at least helping me pretend I have them totally under control.